So hello dear students, in the previous lecture we have started mechanical oscillator and derived equation number 1 for restoring force, then units and definition of stiffness constant, then differential equation of mechanical oscillator, equation number 5 time period, equation number 6 kinetic energy, potential energy, equation number 8, and total energy of the mechanical oscillator. So continuing the lecture in the part 2 of mechanical oscillator, today we will find the average value of kinetic energy of the mechanical oscillator. Average value of kinetic energy of mechanical oscillator. Expression for kinetic energy is half m omega naught square a square sine square omega naught t. So for average value of kinetic energy, it will be UK bar. It will be over the full cycle, upper limit minus lower limit, integration 0 to capital T UK dt. Average value of a function, it is equal to 1 over b minus a, upper limit, lower limit, upper limit fx dx. It is 1 by t, 0 to t, half m omega naught square a square sine square omega naught t dt. M omega naught square a square divided by 2t 0 to t sine square omega naught t dt. M omega naught square a square divided by 2t. So this we can write as 1 minus cos 2 omega naught t divided by 2. So 2 comes outside, it will be 1 by 4 t m omega naught square a square 0 to t 1 minus cos 2 omega naught t dt. M omega naught square a square by 4t integration t sine 2 omega naught t divided by 2 omega naught 0 to capital T. Substitute the limits. It is t minus sine 2 omega naught t divided by 2 omega naught 0 minus sine 0 divided by 2 omega naught. M omega naught square a square divided by 4t. It is t minus sine of 2 omega naught t. Sine of 2 omega naught t. Sine of 2 omega naught is 2 pi by t into t. So it is sine of 4 pi, which will be 0. So it will be 0, 0, sine 0, 0. So it is m omega naught square a square by 4t into t. So average value of kinetic energy comes out to be m omega naught square a square divided by 4. So in continuation we mark this as equation number 8. Total energy in the yesterday's lecture by equation number 9. This will be the equation number 10. So this is the formula for average kinetic energy. So now we derive the expression for average potential energy of a mechanical oscillator. Potential energy written with symbol UP. It is half m omega naught square a square cos square omega naught t. So average value of potential energy, it will be 1 over t minus 0 to t up dt. So when we solve this, it will be 1 over t 0 to t half m omega naught square a square cos square omega naught t dt 1 by t 2 comes common omega naught square a square 0 to t cos square omega naught t dt. So it is m omega naught square a square upon 2t 0 to t 1 plus cos 2 omega naught t divided by 2 dt m omega naught square a square divided by 4t 0 to t 1 plus cos 2 omega naught t dt. So now we will integrate the function. So integration will be of 1, it will be t, and cos function, it will be sine 2 omega naught t divided by angle, lower limit, upper limit. Now we will substitute the limits. Upper limit capital T sine 2 omega naught capital T divided by 2 omega naught 0 minus sine 0 divided by 2 omega naught. So this function, it is 0, just calculated. Sine 0 is 0, so it will be m omega naught square a square by 4t into t. So average value of potential energy will be 1 by 4 m omega naught square a square. This is equation number 11. And what the conclusion is, average value of kinetic energy and potential energy for a mechanical oscillator are equal to each other. At what displacement the kinetic energy and potential energy in SHM are equal. So we are given kinetic energy equal to potential energy. Kinetic energy is half m omega naught square a square sine square omega naught t. Potential energy is half m omega naught square a square cos square omega naught t. This portion cancels. So we are left with sine square omega naught t cos square omega naught t, taking square root sine omega naught t cos omega naught t. So it is sine omega naught t divided by cos omega naught t. It is equal to 1. So tan omega naught t is equal to 1. So omega naught t, it will be pi by 4. Coming back to question, we have to find the displacement. So displacement is given by x is equal to a cos omega naught t. So it is a cos omega naught t is pi by 4. So it is a divided by root 2. Numerical is the potential energy of a particle of mass 1 kg executing SHM is given by UP. It is equal to 2x square plus 4x plus 4. Find the force constant and frequency of oscillation. Solution. So dear students, this is also very important question. Potential energy is 2x square plus 4x plus 4. As restoring force is related to potential energy by the formula F is equal to minus dP by dx. So we have to differentiate. So it is equal to 4x plus 4 plus 0. So 4 comes common, x plus 1. So put x plus 1, it is equal to z. So F is equal to minus 4z. So this equation is of the form of F is equal to minus sz. So the motion that is given to us is SHM, and comparing the both we get S is equal to 4 Newton per meter. So this is the force constant that we are to calculate. So next is the frequency of oscillation. So for the frequency of oscillation, as time period, it is equal to 2 pi under root m by s. So it is 2 pi, m is 1 kg, s is 4. So it is 2 pi into 1 by 2. So time period is equal to pi seconds. So frequency is equal to reciprocal of time period, it is equal to 1 by pi hertz. So dear students, this completes today's lecture. Keep in touch. Mechanical oscillator is completed. Thanks a lot.